Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're going to do an unboxing for you today on the brand new Alpine iLX F309, otherwise known as the Halo 9. This was kind of an exciting stereo there head unit that we saw at CES 2018 this year. So we're excited to finally get to unbox one of these at the store. So to start us off, as you can see, actually before we start, you can see here on the front kind of some of the features that it's got. Android Auto, it's got Apple CarPlay. So it has a lot of nice stuff built in, and it fits into a single DIN, which is the great part about this, is you can get a huge screen with just a single DIN for your car stereo. So why don't we pop open the box here, take a look and see what comes with it. So right here on the top, move this off to the side here. Here on the top we've got some instructions, it looks like. We'll pop those open so we can actually take a closer look. So we got our instruction booklet there. We've got more instructions, or that's the installation guide, so we got then the instructions, and we've got some thanks from Alpine here. And what do we got? Online manual information. And then in this package, well, this is all the installation stuff. We'll take a look. I don't know if I'm going to be able to talk you through each and every piece in here because there's a lot of it, but we'll take a look and see what we can find. Kind of contain it in the box here. Yeah, to be perfectly honest, I'm not sure what all of these pieces are, so we'll show them to you here in the camera so you can take a look. We just got, looks like antenna connections, audio video connections, just all your assorted wiring. Some screws, a little bracket, more screws with some Loctite on it. Looks like an antenna in here, or maybe yeah, it might be an antenna. Yeah, like I said, I'm not totally sure what all these parts are. More cables. USB cable here. Some more, looks like audio cords. These are all labeled, so these will, looks like, go to your speakers, so your front out, rear out. And that's everything for this particular box. Throw that back all in here. And take out this bubble wrap. We've got a couple more small boxes inside of here. So we'll start with this. This is the part that actually gets mounted into your console here. So we've got that, and this is going to be what the actual screen attaches to. So you can see on the back here all the different inputs. And then let's look at the fun stuff. Some more brackets here. Got a little warning on there. Will not power up until the power plate is installed. So that's an important note. Make sure you pay attention to that if you're going to be trying to do this install yourself. And then we've got the actual product here. This is nice. It's got a capacitive touch screen on it, so it's got a really nice feel to it, just like a smartphone. And then you have some dedicated buttons down here at the bottom for volume, a mute button, a microphone to talk to it. You got your menu button and your favorites button, as well as fast forward and rewind. So it's nice having those buttons always available, which is cool. You don't have to go fumbling around through the display. And we'll take a look at the back here. You can see where it mounts into the piece that goes into your into your center console or into your dash. And it's got some minor adjustments here, so you can adjust the angle of it and everything. We saw some of that at CES this year, so we're really excited. We're going to get this thing plugged in here shortly, and we'll do another kind of a more of a product overview video for you, so you can actually see it turned on and running. So stay tuned. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll have that other video up for you at some point shortly here too.